Today we talk about the smartest accessory investment for your car. Hello, I'm Steven with Mod in Japan, and this is MIJ Tech, where we do hands-on real-world reviews for some of the fun mods available for your Toyota and Lexus. We are reviewing the ESCORT Max 360C Mark II radar detector with the add-on M2 dash camera. This accessory is an investment that pays for itself the first time it saves you, and we've had it installed on our shop Tacoma for the last 8 months. If you aren't familiar with our shop truck, this is our 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4, the MIJ Tacoma, which we partnered up with Maxxis Tire and Jeremy McGrath for this truck build that was in the Rhino Rack booth in the West Hall for SEMA Show 2022. Before we start this video, please note these are my personal experiences and opinions on this product. You should always consult your local authorities on what's legal and use your best judgment when driving. If you're an automotive enthusiast or have been to any kind of electronics store in the last 40+ years, you've definitely seen ESCORT on the shelves. ESCORT is one of the biggest names in the detection game and have been there longer than I've been alive and can remember. If you don't know what a radar detector is, it's a magical, fortune-telling companion that keeps you out of trouble. In our Tacoma, we have one of the newest radar detectors in their lineup. The Max 360C Mark II radar detector builds on the legendary features and performance of the original Max series by improving on every feature. And as someone that has used it consistently for over 8 months, I can definitely say without a shadow of a doubt, it's worth every penny. So let's go through the benefits and features of this radar detector and dash camera system. So first and foremost, why would you need a radar detector? Intentionally or unintentionally, we all exceed the speed limits on the road. There are a lot of reasons we unintentionally speed. Now, while we don't condone speeding, it does happen, and this radar detector can save you time and money, and lots of headache. What's great about this radar detector, the cost of buying one is offset the first time you are saved from a speeding ticket. And that savings grows with time. How many mods do you know that are an appreciating asset? That's like having a tire tread that grows the more you drive on it. Now, so let's get into the features. First off, it has exceptional range. I have personally seen and enjoyed this benefit a million times. Whether I'm on an open highway or carving a mountainside, this thing sees everything. It is an all-seeing eye. With their Blackfin DSP system, you get 360-degree coverage with lightning-fast notifications. If you are new to radar detectors, there are 3 primary signal bands: X, K, and Ka bands. X band are an older technology, so you can kind of ignore those as false positives. In my experience, I've seen K band used mostly on those speed limit signs that tell you your current speed. So again, mostly false positives. Now, if you see Ka band, you need to slow your roll and slow it fast. This band is used by law enforcement to measure speed, and in my experience, this reading has been insanely accurate. It also has directional arrows to indicate where the signal is coming from, so you can prepare. In addition, you can connect it to your phone to update its database of red light cameras, so you have the most accurate information. One convenient feature is the GPS memorized lock. I live near a speed limit sign with a radar that indicates a K-band every time I drive past it. With 3 clicks of a button, I can program the radar detector to remember where this sign is and permanently remove the notification. So now it never beeps again as I pass the sign. Over time, you can program your commute so you never have an unnecessary beep. If you have an off-road vehicle with oversized tires, there's another feature for you. This radar detector has a built-in speedometer. What helps is that if you have oversized tires, your OEM speedometer will be off. Our Tacoma has Maxxis LT 285/70/17 Razor AT tires, which are 33s. When the OEM speedometer indicates 50 miles per hour, the radar detector is telling us we are driving 55 miles per hour. So we are actually 5 miles an hour faster. So you can save some money so you don't have to recalibrate your OEM speedometer. You can even set a speeding notification at any speed you'd like so you don't go overboard. Lastly, we opted for the add-on 1080p M2 dash cam that plugs directly into the radar detector. It's more important now than ever to protect yourself from scams with a dash cam. You can control all these features and download footage onto your phone using the Drive Smarter app. It integrates seamlessly and is intuitive to use. Installation is simple. You can just plug it into your cigarette lighter. You can also buy a hardware kit off of Amazon for around 20 bucks. I will put a link in the description. We wired ours into our headliner. Lastly, one benefit people don't consider is that this radar detector is portable. It comes with a travel case and you can use it in any car. Whether you use it on a road trip or have a spouse that speeds a lot, you can hand it off to whoever needs it. When you buy a new car, you can still use this radar, as it is a long-term investment you can reuse. You should go buy one now. It saved me more times than I would care to admit. If you'd like more information on this radar detector, I will link it in the description below. If you want to support us and videos like this, buy one from us. If you find a better deal from another trustworthy distributor, buy it there. Can't blame anyone for getting a good deal. You can also help us by subscribing and hitting the notification bell and throwing a like on this video. Add a comment below, let us know your favorite radar detector. You can also find us on social media, I'll link those below as well. We always appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.